today's Friday, April 20 something, but it's a Friday. So I just got off of work, just got back. My dog's eating. I'm gonna take him out. But just to update you guys, I do have a graduation party later, so I am going to pack some stuff and I'm gonna stay with my parents for the weekend because I also have a baptism tomorrow. So yeah, I have to pack my outfit, I have to pack my makeup and everything. I don't even have like a room at home anymore, so I have to figure out where I'm gonna get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna take you guys with me to the baptism, so I'll see you there. Also, please ignore this ugly ass pimple. So it is raining, you guys, so le voy a poner a Benny su little raincoat. Look. Miren al Benito bien guapo. A ver, ven, enséñalo. Ven, siéntate. Stay there. Benny, stop following me. Oh my god. You guys, he literally threw himself on the ground. Benny, ¿por qué no haces caso? Okay, let's go outside. Let's go. Ah, ¿verdad? Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Okay, it's so wet out here, you guys. I don't think we're gonna be here long because Benny hates the rain. Hi, Pichulo. Come on. He's already thinking about it. Usually he's way ahead of me and stuff. Yeah. He's really thinking about it. He doesn't want to because he hates the rain. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Pues te aguantas. Let's go to the room. Yep, you guys, he's not doing this today. You guys, I took a fat ass nap and then I trimmed my hair a little bit because it needs a trim, and then I'm trying to get rid of the light color in my hair because I use hair extensions like on special occasions, and so you can tell the color difference. But anyways, I can't really record me getting ready right now because I left my tripod at my parents' house, but good thing I'm going back to my parents' house this weekend, so I'll be able to grab that with me. Also, I got this new foundation and I kind of do like it. I just don't like that it's kind of like matte setting, but coverage wise I do like it. I think I like it better than the NARS one. Okay, you guys, I finished my makeup. I'm about to head back to Dallas, so I will talk to you guys later. My hair, you guys. I look like the mom from the Addams Family. This is the final fit. I'm in my sister's room, but she's cute or whatever. I never wear long dresses, so I'm pretty sure I'm so happy I chose to wear a long dress. I literally ordered this from Fashion Nova like 2 days ago, and I saw Amanda from BNS wearing it, like, because she's a model for Fashion Nova. I was like, that's the dress I want. But yeah, look how cute it is. And I never wear like strapless shit, but she cute or whatever. Say hi, Chewy. Hi. Oh my god.
Julieta, yo te bautizo en el nombre del Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo. Amén. Los que siguen.
1, 2, 3.
Nadie la hace reír.
Okay guys, my sister did my hair. Like it looks like I have a wig on. But
Bienvenidos al bautizo de Julieta. A bailar. Oh, thank you so much. That's so cute.
Julieta.
Smash.
She's blessed.
Yeah.
So, look, you guys, my niece. She is baptized. Her little, they're still setting up for her party. Right, Julieta? Let's hi. My go-to drink, y'all. Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Ahí, ponte. Ponte ahí. Come here.
Mira, aquí párate.
Oh.
Y tu Vivi en la mano. Dame la teta. Sí. ¡Hey, Julieta!
Bueno. Julieta. Bro, she loves the camera. She keeps staring at it.
Oh, she loves the phone. She loves every...
How do you feel that you had a baptism today? Oh, you got blessed today.
I'm blessed.
Looked at mom like, what?
She's like, I'm good. She's like, I'm gonna take over this
I
vlog.
know.
So I'm a handshake cocktail. Nothing. Say hi.
Oh, I've been falling.
Fui tan ciego para no entender.
Oh, with the...
Una prima en el coro, imagínate otra vez, mañana saber que hacerte lloro.
Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog, you guys. This weekend was so busy for me. I'm literally so tired. I'm back at my apartment. I got my lashes done, and I'm just gonna end it here, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.